Today we're going to be looking at the Airzeen Q10 robot vacuum cleaner. Not only is this a vacuum cleaner, but it also mops as well. It has so many cool features, so thank you so much to the company for sending me this to try out so I could share my thoughts with you about it. First off, let's unbox it and see what's in the box. The first thing included is a quick start guide so you know how to put it together and use it. Here is the mop attachment for the vacuum cleaner. They also have a larger owner's manual. This vacuum is packed really well. It came in perfect condition. Here is the vacuum cleaner itself. Here are some of the brushes and a cleaning tool and a filter. And this is the base. Let's put it all together and see how it works. The vacuum cleaner is all set up. It's on its base charging. The water tank is actually in the vacuum itself. So this vacuum is also self-cleaning. So once it gets back to base, it will pull the dirt up into this tank here. There is a bag that the debris will go into, so you can easily remove it. They also do include an extra bag as well. The robot vacuum just finished mapping out my whole entire down floor, and this is what the map looks like. This app has so many different features on it, so you can actually pick different zones in the house. This is our living area, this is our office, this is our laundry room, and this is our dining area. I can actually pick different rooms and choose to have it cleaned or not have it cleaned. Here you can set the schedule. So you can add a schedule and you can do start time, you can do repeat. You can also change the mode. So if you want one room to only be swept or you only want it to be mopped, you can choose those different options. One of the things that I really like is the voice settings, because the robot vacuum does talk to you. So you can actually set the volume of the voice and you can also change the language. Here you can set the room. So you can set this room to be cleaned and this room to be cleaned. And you could leave out those two, or you could set them all. Here is where you can change the mode. So you can change it to sweep, sweep and mop, just mop. And you can also change the settings on how much suction you would like and how much water you would like. Here it tells you the status of the vacuum. It says now that it's charging. And you can just hit that button and it starts to auto clean off its schedule. You can also choose to have it emptied. I'm going to start the robot vacuum because I would like it to clean this room only. The vacuum does a really great job at cleaning. It has this back and forth pattern when you have an open area. So it goes back and forth to make sure that all of the areas are cleaned. The robot vacuum also does a really great job at sensing obstacles and moving around them without running into it. From the laser mapping to the app and the self-cleaning option, this vacuum has so many different features and it worked really well. I would definitely recommend it.